Unraveling the Phrase Upstage. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of theater and drama. But don't worry, even if you're not a theater enthusiast, the phrase we're going to discuss today, upstage, is used in everyday English too. Let's unwrap its meanings and how you can use it in different contexts. The term upstage has its roots in theater. Picture a traditional stage. It's usually sloped with the rear part, farthest from the audience, being higher. This higher part is called upstage, and the part nearest to the audience is downstage. Upstage, the part of the stage that is farthest from the audience. Downstage, the part of the stage that is closest to the audience. When an actor moves to the upstage area, they are literally moving up the stage, drawing the attention of the audience with them. The other actors might need to turn their backs to the audience to engage with the upstage actor, which can shift the focus. Beyond the literal theatrical meaning, upstage has taken on a more metaphorical sense in everyday English. When you upstage someone, it means you're diverting attention away from them and onto yourself. It often carries a negative connotation. For instance, if someone wears an extravagant outfit to a friend's wedding, they might be accused of trying to upstage the bride. Or, in a meeting, if you interrupt someone with your own ideas, you might be seen as trying to upstage them. To solidify your understanding, here are a few examples. 1. She felt upstaged at her own book launch when her co-author gave a more engaging speech. 2. The opening band was so good, they almost upstaged the main act. 3. In the play, the actor moved upstage, causing the other performers to turn and face him. There you have it. The term upstage, from its theatrical origins to its more colloquial use in daily life. Remember, it's not just about physical position on a stage but also about drawing attention. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase. Always keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.